What is up, guys? Bonjour, this is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce with a typical French pronunciation the name of this white wine grape variety. This is the French name of it. This is a grape that is behind the making, the production of a Cognac and Armagnac, forming the majority of the wine that is distilled for making those brandies. Not very commonly made as a white wine in France, sometimes blended with other grapes. It is more used in Italy to make wine, where it's known under the name Trebbiano. But how do you go about pronouncing this name in French? Ugni Blanc. Ugni Blanc. The C at the end of Blanc is silent, like it is for Sauvignon Blanc in French. Ugni Blanc. Ugni Blanc. If you want to learn more about all of the white wine grape varieties, white and red wine grape varieties around the world, here are videos that you may want to watch next. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir.